So I got you.
Alright, rolling on all. 3, 2.
Yo, CPT and the world. Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge. You're Steezing with Oasis, and I got another fire artist in studio with me today. He's repping all the way from Summer Greens, my hometown, and we're gonna pick his brain. So, young Addict, bro.
Yeah.
That's your name. Like, are you addicted to something? Like, how did the name come? Young Addict.
Nah, like, I would say, like, it was first, like, my name was actually, like, it started off as Young Ammo.
Young Ammo.
That when I was still, like, interested in, like, drill music, if I could say, like, I used to, like, listen to, like, a lot of Chirac niggas.
Oh,
like,
okay.
niggas from Chicago and ish. So, like, it started there, and then, like, during, like, time and ish, like, through my music, like, progressing and ish, like, I had to, like, change it, because, like, it didn't suit me, if I could say. But, yeah, and then, at the time, like, I was, like, involved in, like, a whole lot of ish, like, parties, going out, and all that ish, and I just, like, came to a conclusion, like, yo, damn, I like love drugs.
I like love drugs. Oh, so the name does come from that.
But, like, also, like, just me, like, how can I say, just, like, being an addict to my own music.
I was
like,
gonna say the same thing now,
like, people
yeah.
just, like, once you listen to me, you could say, like, you, like, just fall in love, man. Like, you want to listen more, you want to get more. But, yeah.
Damn, you heard it from some Owens. I'm excited to hear his music also now, to see if I'm gonna get addicted to his music, like he's saying, Steezin. So we're gonna give you opportunity to perform later, Steezin, and we're gonna see if what you're saying is true now. People's gonna get addicted to your shit.
I got the sauce.
You got the sauce. So what kind of music do you make? Because you used to make their own music, as you said. But what kind of music do you make now?
At the moment, like, I would say, like, my sound is more, like, melodic, if I could say. Like, I'm inspired by a lot of, I can say, like, foreign music, if I could say. I would, like to be inspired by, like, a lot of SA niggas, but, like, I just see, man, like, I wouldn't say they're behind in a sense, but, like, when they, like, make their type of, like, trap music, if I can say, like, it's not done the way, like, I would want it to be done, if I could say. Because, like, if you compare, like, our melodic rappers to maybe people, like, that are, like, pushing maybe in LA, it's way different. Like, yeah, you get people here that blow up maybe, then they're, like 20, if I could say. And there you get niggas blowing up at the age of 15, 16, 17. And, like, yeah, but, like, it's more of, like rage, sad. Like, yeah.
So now I'm excited, bro. And then, like you said, you had 2 mixtapes out and 6 tracks.
Yeah.
Right. What was your biggest track of all the tracks that you've dropped thus far?
Yo, I would say, like, that would be my single. It would be Flip. I still shot a music video for it. We shot it in something that's actually out on YouTube. But yeah, it's Look at My Wrist, and it's pretty dope. Like, that time, like, it was a very, like, fun, good time at the time, if I could say. But, like, my music has, like, just gone up since then, if I could say.
So you've just been progressing, you've just been moving forward. So you feel like everything you're doing now is bigger steps and bigger steps and bigger steps, bro.
It keeps going up.
Nah, I feel you. So, your opinion, how can a show like this help other artists?
How can it help? It can help in many ways. Mainly just by promoting themselves, and, like, also, like, promoting you guys. Just, like, yeah, what I, like, see, like, lacks in Cape Town, if I can say, just in the music, entertainment, if I could say, like the comparisons that are, like, mostly here is, like, Cape Town artists to Joburg artists. And, like, as I said, like, I keep telling people, like, yeah, like, we're sitting on a gold mine in Cape Town, because, like, in Joburg, there's nothing different, if I could say. Like, there's nothing, like, major. We have what they have. We have artists even better, if I could say. But, like, it's just like, the, like, music here is just focused, like, in Cape Town. There's so much, how can I say, like, events made. But, like, it's mostly just focused on maybe EDM, trance music. But it's never where you hear, like, nah, there's going to be a hip-hop festival. There's going to be a trap festival.
Okay,
and, like, if there is such, then there's, like, the numbers aren't there, man. It's not as, like,
no drive for
yeah.
Okay.
If I could say something like that, yeah.
Nah, I feel you. So is that what you would do different in Cape Town? Instead of having these small little hip-hop events, you would have a hip-hop festival.
Festivals, yeah.
Just promoting South African art, Cape Town artists, let's say. Not South African, because we have dope-ass artists in South Africa. But you would like to do a Cape Town artist
just Cape Town.
And do a whole festival of that.
I think that would be great, because, like, there's so much, like, different sounds, if I could say. There's this underground, there's trap, there's this new wave, there's a whole lot of sound, but, like, it's just people, they know of it, they heard of it, but like it's not in your face, man. It's like more of the commercial stuff is in your face, if I could say. But like if that could just come to a light, your Cape Town will blow up.
No, I feel you, bro. So you also, I have the same thing where I feel like Cape Town has this funnel.
Yeah,
it's like it's blocked, and at this point in time, someone just needs to take that plug out and let it flow, maybe.
See what I mean?
Because at this point in time, we have all this dope artists pushing up, but they're still stuck there and they feel like they're going nowhere.
It's like they take one at a time, just like, you can make it, the next one, just hold up. Just hold it up again.
I feel how you feel, but I feel like we should take a plunge and just be like, bitch, get out here and bounce into it. Let's let the whole thing flow and make that Cape Town. I feel you, bro. So tonight, what song are you gonna perform for us, bro?
I'm gonna be performing like this is actually a track that I'm gonna be dropping on Wednesday. It's called Sauce. I got the sauce in the drip, and it's a lit ass track.
It's a lit ass track. And he's not excited for his own music. Yeah, I'm excited now. But like I said last week also, bro, why does everyone always drop their tracks on my show? I know it's gonna be fire because they always drop on our show first, but it's gonna be fire. And the track name is Sauce.
Sauce, yeah.
Sauce, yeah. All gold. Hopefully it's gonna be all gold.
Yeah, definitely.
Right, so we're gonna let you perform now. Is this the only place I can find you?
Yeah.
IG.
Yeah, like this is for Facebook, this is for Twitter. I didn't type it up, but like this is like the biggest thing that I have like at the moment. So like you can just follow me on this. Like I'm dropping, as I said, Wednesday. So like hit me up.
Hey, the loneliness beauty. So he's gonna drop a track for us now. We're gonna give you the opportunity to perform. We're gonna leave all these links and everything. So if you do enjoy the track, don't forget to listen. Don't forget to subscribe to our page as well and like. And best believe it's gonna be fire now. So bro, I'm gonna give it to you. Kill it. Just make everything right. Just make everything lit, bro. Make everything lit. Ashkarat. Ashkarat. Best believe it's your boy Oasis. It's another episode and we out.
I got the sauce and they drip. Oh, but y'all shawty don't slip. I got the sauce and they drip. Oh, but y'all shawty don't slip. I got the sauce and they drip. 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 Oh, but y'all shawty don't slip. I got the sauce and they drip. Oh, but y'all shawty don't slip. I got the sauce and they drip. 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 Shawty stuck on my entity. Guess a bitch, she was no friend of me. Wasn't fucking with her energy. Shawty got me on the Hennessy. Might just be the death of me. Devil tryna get a hold of me. Tryna really get control of me. I ain't cuffing no bitch. Freddy from popping these perks. I got this bitch, she alert. I'ma just hit it like dirt. With some young niggas sipping on sirs. Look, shawty, she cute and she perk. Shawty pull through the set. Look, shawty, she run up a check. Yes, my eyes don't believe. Shawty, she rockin' for lead. Young nigga pulled up with a team. It is what it is, that's a rivalry. Shawty trippin' as I'm walking in. Cold in, we be sippin' in. Different bras, shawty losing in. Purple really got me doing things. Have to switch lanes like at Musin. I feel no pain, tryna maintain. I got the sauce and they drip. Oh, but y'all shawty don't slip. I got the sauce and they drip. Oh, but y'all shawty don't slip. I got the sauce and they drip. 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 Oh, but y'all shawty don't slip. I got the sauce and they drip. Oh, but y'all shawty don't slip. I got the sauce and they drip. I got the sauce and they drip. I got the sauce and they drip. I got the sauce and they drip.